Hi everybody, it's your girl Preshfit. Welcome back to my channel, and for today I'm going to be demonstrating how to do the bed dog crunch. It's a great core exercise. It works really your core, your lower abs very well. Key things to note: when you lengthen out, try not to sag your back downward. I will demonstrate. First, you come down on all fours, making sure your shoulder it's right above your wrist. Your knees are just under your hips, okay? Now, this is when the stability, the balance comes. Try not to sag the back in, right? So that tummy towards the lower back, okay? And then this is your lengthening. When you lengthen, try not to sag down. So lengthen properly, and then round up your back. When you come in for the crunch, you go again, round up. And when you lengthen, always try to make sure that your shoulders are squared to the floor, your hips are squared to the floor. On a normal day, on a normal note, the body is fighting to tilt. Your own issue is to make sure you don't tilt as much as possible. So again, that's it. When you're done with one side, come down and then you repeat on the other side. Start again, sucking that tongue in, holding those abs in, lengthen, and round up, crunch. Lengthen and crunch. Lengthen, round up that back and crunch. And don't forget to breathe. That's how to do the bed dog crunch. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give the thumbs up and do share and subscribe.